Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making garlic roasted potato wedges. It's so easy to make, but yet it tastes so delicious. Let's face it, we all love a good side dish that is so easy to make and that goes well with anything, and that's exactly what I'm making for you. Alright, so for the garlic potato wedges, we're using some nice white potatoes. So we're just gonna slice these into wedges. To season the potatoes, we're only using olive oil. And I've made this dish a few times before, but I always feel like there was something missing. But I found a way to solve that problem. Let's also sprinkle a dash of paprika. I'm going to pop this in the oven and bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now to make the secret ingredients, I simply add some olive oil to a frying pan with some garlic cloves and cook them for a few minutes. Let it cool, then blend it until it becomes smooth. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the oven, pour a generous portion of the garlic oil on the potatoes, garnish with some freshly chopped parsley, and serve. There you have it, guys. If you end up liking the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe